This is the new Atlas 4, a portable, self-fitting universal mobility scooter hoist from Monarch Mobility. The Atlas 4 has a lifting capacity of up to 40 kilograms. It comes in 4 main parts and is easy to assemble. Once assembled, the Atlas 4 is fitted and secured into your car within seconds. It offers adjustable height for boot clearance and is powered through either your scooter or a portable power pack. Operating the Atlas 4 is very easy. You can control it by using the switch on the hoist or by using the remote control. Once your scooter is lifted above the boot lip, you can gently push the scooter into the boot and lower. Once in position, disconnect the hoist from the scooter. When you have finished with the Atlas 4, fold the boom arm down and remove the boom by pulling up on the release catch. Not only is the Atlas 4 portable, universal and can be fitted by yourself, it is ideal to take away on holiday, use in multiple cars or permanently fixed into one car.